Hello student, welcome to another lesson on measurement of physical properties from the NCERT Chemistry textbook for class 11th. This is the this is the part of chemistry. This is the part of some basic concept of chemistry. I am Satish Natam and today we are going to dive into measurement of properties, measurement of physical properties. In previous video we have seen the matter's properties, but in this video we are focused on measurement of physical properties. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lesson. Let's start. The quantitative measurement of properties is essential for scientific investigation. If we want for the scientific investigation, we have to know that we have to aware with the quantitative measurement of properties, because if we don't have any quantitative measurement, then how we can do the things for the investigation. So many properties of matter such as length, area and volume are quantitative. So these are the quantitative that can be measured. The first quantitative properties is example are here. First is length, area and volume. So these are the quantitative properties. Sorry, we can say the quantitative properties. So next important point is how we can represent of any measurement. So the quantitative observation or measurements are represented by a number followed by units. For example, length of room can be represented as 6m, where 6 is the number and m denoted meters, the unit of measurement. So in a 6m, the m is a unit of measurement, which is meter, and 6 is a number. So this is the representation. This is the representation of measurement, observation or measurement of room. So let's know the historical system of measurement. How in our history, how they are measured any measurement. So earlier two different system of measurement, the English system and metric system. Were used. The metric system based on the decimal system originated in France in the late 18th century. So the metric system originated from France. So this is the historical knowledge, historical system where we use. So if we want to know about this historical measurement and other stuff, I will suggest you to go through NCERT book. Next is establishment of common standard system. So there are two different systems. Then how we can quantify the same measurement in a different region, different part of a world. So to connect the all world in a single unit, we have to establish any common standard system of measurement. So the scientific community felt the need for common standard system of measurement, because if somewhere in a world they measured in a different unit, and in some part of other side of the world they measured this different unit, same quantity. So how we can interrelate or related, how we can find relation between the two measurement. So for that to remove that complexity, we have to establish a common standard system, which will then we can use this common standard system for all over the world. So in the 1960 a common standard system was established. And again I will say, if you want to know more about this common standard system, I will suggest you please go through NCERT book, and probably in next video I will teach you more about this common standard system. So let's see important notes. First is quantitative measurement of properties is important for scientific investigation. Why the quantitative measurement is important for scientific investigation? Measurement are represented by number followed by unit and such as meter for length. So the measurement can be represented as number and unit of measurement. Early two different system of measurement, the English system and metric system. In ancient, what are the system were used early in history? What are the system were used? First, two system were used for measurement. First is English system and metric system. A common standard system of measurement was established in 1960 to provide a universal standard for scientific measurement. To establish a universal standard, for the universal standard, scientists need a specific standard system, measurement system they established in 1960. So this was all about measurement of physical properties. In our next video, we will see more about this common standard system. That is all for today's lesson. I hope you find it helpful and that it clarify your understanding of measurement of physical properties. If you have any question or need further explanation, feel free to leave them in comments below. Don't forget to hit like button, like this video if you found it useful, and share it useful, then share it with your friends who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.